Welcome to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in Avant Credit Card online. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, you can simply search avant.com slash credit dash online. You will be directly led to the official homepage of Avant. Now, before logging in, make sure you already have your account. In case if you don't have account or you haven't created account yet, then you won't be able to log in. Now, at this homepage, at the top right, you can see the option login. You have to click over there. Now, all you need to do is enter your credentials. Firstly, enter your user ID. After that, enter your password. In case if you are having problem remembering your password or if you have forgot your password, then you can click on don't remember your password option and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. Now if your credentials are ready, then you can enter them and click on login and you will be logged into your Avant credit card online. And this is how easily you can log into your Avant credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.